Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. So, in previous lecture, we only studied what is linguistic and what are the bases and what are the misconceptions of people regarding linguistics. So, now in this lecture, we will study the questions related to this field of the English. So, what type of questions mostly people ask from the linguist are the mostly people search from the Google. So these are some of the major type of questions that people mostly ask from the linguist or the search from the internet. So in the very first question, people ask that what is the definition of the linguistics in English. So mm, because of this question, people understand that linguistic is the field of English, but mostly people question that what is the definition of linguistic in English. The second question people ask that what is the origin of linguistics, and then what is the purpose of the linguistic. Okay, so another question people ask that who is the linguist, and then father of linguistics. So this is the major question in which people mostly get confused between these two things. When the question is asked that who is the father of modern linguistics, people usually answer the ancient father of the linguistics. So, and when asked who is the father of ancient linguistics, people mostly people answer about the father of the modern linguistics. So this is the confusion. I will clear you. And then the last question mostly search on the internet is who was the first linguist. So all these questions will be answered to you and slowly and step by step. So in the very first question, that is linguistic in English. So we have already studied that linguistic is basically a study of languages. So in very simple terms, we study that linguistic is a study of languages. And in other terms, if we go deep into the definition of this term, we will get through the that linguistic is a study of languages of what? Language structure, language use, and language knowledge. So, if we surfacely give the definition of the word or the field linguistic, we say that it is the study of languages. But if we go through the deep definition of this field, we will answer that linguistic is a study of the structure, form, use, and the knowledge of the languages, not one language but the languages. And other thing related to this is that how language interact with one another. So in this we say that linguistic is the knowledge and use of the languages. So how we use, how we interact, how we interact with other people. So it is important in the use of the language. And another thing that the way knowledge of language interact with other people. So the way knowledge of language interact. This is another thing related to linguistics. And then the other thing is that how people gain knowledge of the languages related to this. That how we gain knowledge. Okay, these are the type of questions, these are the type of answers we can give when people ask that what is linguistics in the field of English. So this is the answer of the very first question. We will discuss other questions in the next video. Thank you.